in the region. Such an outcome must be avoided at all costs. We join the Secretary General in his call to the international community to end the ongoing situation and avert a humanitarian catastrophe. The UN Security Council must perform its primary responsibility under the UN Charter, impose an immediate and unconditional ceasefire, and protect the people of Gaza from an impending genocide. We call on Israel's backers to urge Israel to end its barbaric attacks and inhumane siege against Gaza. We also call for an international conference for long-term peace and the Palestinian question. Durable peace in the region will emerge from the internationally agreed two-state solution and from the creation of a secure, viable, contiguous, and sovereign state of Palestine on the basis of pre-June 1967 borders with Al-Quds al-Sharif as its capital. The decision by the Indian Parliament yesterday to pass a legislation pertaining to the future of IIOJK is yet another farce to perpetuate India's occupation and to deny the people of Jammu and Kashmir their right to self-determination. Jammu and Kashmir is an internationally recognized disputed territory whose final disposition is to be made in accordance with the United Nations Security Council resolution and as per the aspirations of the Kashmiri people. Any other process cannot serve as a substitute to the right of self-determination of the Kashmiri people. Pakistan has never recognized India's occupation of Jammu and Kashmir. It has repeatedly rejected the relevance of the Indian Constitution to this disputed territory. We therefore categorically reject any measures that perpetuate India's occupation in IIOJK. India's unilateral and illegal measures of the 5th of August 2019 and a number of subsequent steps are aimed at changing the demographic structure and political landscape of IIOJK. Pakistan strongly condemns and rejects these measures as these would convert Kashmiris into a disempowered minority in their own land. These measures are also a blatant violation of international humanitarian law and the relevant UN Security Council resolutions. India must rescind these illegal and unilateral measures, provide relief to the people of IIOJK, and create a positive environment for peace and dialogue. Pakistan will continue to extend political, diplomatic, and moral support to our Kashmiri brothers and sisters for the just and peaceful settlement of the Jammu and Kashmir dispute in accordance with the UN Security Council resolutions.